Hello friends, today we are going to explore Lovable.dev, an AI app and website builder. It helps you make apps just by typing and using natural language and tell in prompt what you want. Here in this platform, no coding is needed. Lovable is an AI powered platform that enables user of any skill level to create full stack web applications without requiring coding knowledge by simply describing what needed in plain English. So no need to hire developers or users that create web applications. It will create websites instantly. Lovable includes AI coding tools, and once project is created, you can share your app online. To use this platform, you have to open lovable.dev website in browser and you have to log into the platform. Here we have prompt window where you have to give appropriate prompt so that it will generate web or mobile application. So in this case, we also have different kind of templates that were submitted from the community, and you can use these for your applications. You can remix these applications within your application that you are going to build. It can be new application that you are going to build, or you can use it in the existing application as well. So let's start with Lovable platform, how we can create an application. In this video we are creating web application. So we have this prompt window where we give appropriate prompt as per the application we need. It can be login sign up application, it can be restaurant application, it can be attendance application, it can be any real estate application. So whatever prompt you will give, it will generate as per that. And we have to connect with some database also, so that it will store all the related database related items within the database. So we use Superbase as database that will handle all the backend operations. So whatever you submit from front side, it will store on the backend in the Superbase. So even you can attach image from here when you click on plus sign and give appropriate prompt so that it will create design as per that. Or you can import Figma design from here as well. So as per design, it will create the same layout, and whatever prompt you will give, it will create application flow as per that. So let's start with the prompt. So here I started by typing a simple message. So here we have this plus sign. Even we can attach image, whatever layout we want, we can attach that image from here and it will generate layout of application as per that. Even we can import Figma design from here so that it will create design as per the layout within the Figma file. Suppose we want to generate a recipe website, and for that I had created this prompt, and when I click on this arrow, it will generate application as per the prompt. So let's start generating the application for recipe. Like I will click here. So when we click on that arrow key, we are now on this page. Here we have that prompt, and in this application we will upload picture of food items, and then we click generate recipe button. The application will tell you what's in the image and give you the full recipe. Very quickly it will generate and you don't need to write a single line of code. So basically Lovable understood my request and started building the application right way once I click on the generate button. So let's upload an image from here. When we click on choose photo and select an image, so we have some items here in this picture. On the basis of these items, it will generate recipe. So when we click here on generate recipe, it will start generating a recipe as per the items available in this picture. Lovable understood my request and started building the application right away. It picked smart tools like Tailwind for design and TypeScript for code. You don't need to know what these are. Lovable handles everything. So recipe is generated, and when you scroll down, you can see that these items were generated with all details and proper tags and other things. So these were heading and the details. When you click here on view recipe, it will show all the ingredients, instructions, other things that were needed for a recipe building. So in just a few seconds, it created files and showed me a working preview of my application. So the files it created, you can view all the files from here. It used different AI tools like Tailwind, React components, and the files related to these. One thing I love here is Lovable lets you own your code. It saves everything to GitHub, a website where developers store their projects. So you can download the code, edit it in your computer, or share it with friends. Most tools don't allow, but it's great thing with Lovable. So right now it's not stored in database. When I refresh the page, it will be disappeared. Why? Because we were not connected to database yet. So I added Superbase, which will help in saving our application data safely. Lovable help us to connect to Superbase and even add storage for images. So in Lovable, if I also want users to log in so that each person could see only their own notes or recipes, in Lovable, if I want like login sign up forms so that individual user can see their own recipes, so that also can be easily possible in Lovable. We just have to give prompt that way. It will create sign up and login pages, and that will look really nice as per the design you want. Even I tested it and it works perfectly. I will show in next video all the steps how to create that and how easy it is to use Lovable platform. Even if you want to share this recipe with your friends, you can publish this page and then share that link with your friends. That is easily possible. It gives a special URL. You can send this link to anyone and they can view it even without logging in. Once everything is working, you can ask Lovable to make the design look more better. And once the application is all done, you can publish the page or application. Even you can connect with your own domain so that it will look more professional. So Lovable is a great tool, but that is not super cheap. You get limited number of actions per month. But if you really want to build applications quickly and own your code, it's totally worth it. Lovable.dev makes building applications super easy. You can add real features like user login, image upload, shareable links, beautiful UI, and you can remix applications from template too. As I mentioned earlier, we can remix any application, your own application, and even we can remix application from templates. We can remix with our own templates or our own designs that we created earlier, or we can remix with community templates as well. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. In the next video, we will build a lovable web app step by step, so you will learn the full process. Thanks for watching and happy building.